And you no remember say me allergic to flowers?
Oh, sorry. Forgot.
Reds, one jump the up so. Throw it then.
Oh. Yeah, come here. So, Tonian, what's been happening with you?
No, Reds. I'm alright. I'm good. I'm happy.
Without me? I'm just joking. So we can sit down and have a conversation. Tonian, first of all, you look nice. The past few months I've been going to counseling, and the things that they tell me that I was doing back then with you, it was totally wrong. Now I know good, so
alright.
So I wanted to know I'm working now, my own money, and I wanted to know it's a real job, you know? A real job.
So what about the gambling?
Oh, me stop gamble. Me stop it completely stop.
Well, Reds, I'm happy for you. I'm proud of you. I'm glad you find a job. And we just hope you continue on the same path.
Well, Tonian, I can promise you, I'm not do no more gambling. Why? I'm not do no more abuse. And I've been an abusive man to no female, nobody. I just want to continue on the good part, you know. Well, it's just one thing missing from my life.
What that?
Well, the woman they love and care for me, and that's you, Tonian.
Reds, the ship with me and you sail. The ship with me and you sail. I'm happy for you, I'm proud of you, but this between me and you, never happen.
Come on, Tonian. I'm a changed person now, you know. Look for me. I look like a different Red. Jesus Christ, Tonian, watch it. You like it? You catch a sword. Rebound. Yes, Tonian. In style.
Carry him.
Side door open.
Tonian. So, who is this guy?
How old is the man?
You want to know who I am? I am Tonian's boyfriend.
Xpressionz. X.
So Tonian, you have a boyfriend all along?
Me and him not in a no Kareem.
Well, listen me. We did have a little problem. We did separate for a little while, but now we're planning to get back together.
Reds, me go.
You can't bear this.
Reds, what you do? What you do, Reds?
Tonian, nem sei.
Kareem.
Tonian, your first boyfriend. I never want to, but they have to steal it.
Me call you back.